Your forecast and talk about what you need to know as we get the second half of your work week going. Today will be dry, fire danger elevated, but not as windy. Towards the end of the week, we will be cooler and cloudier with the chance for some light rain tomorrow, especially during that evening commute. Then on Sunday, we have the potential of seeing a secondary round of Santa Anas. In case you're wondering, why is the fire danger so elevated with this round of Santa Anas? We always see Santa Ana winds. Well, here's our water year numbers. Remember, the water year starts this 1st of October, so it started just a couple of months ago. So far, this is for Lindbergh Field, by the way, downtown San Diego, we've only seen a little over 1/10 of an inch. Typically, on average, we should already be receiving over 1.5 inches. So we're at about over 1.5 inches of a deficit. This time last year, we got a little over 0.6 of an inch, and our annual average is close to 10 inches. So we're not quite towards the midpoint of our water year. We still have some time to go, but we are continuing to hope that we see a lot more rain than we've seen so far this season. All right, our wind gusts still have those winds increasing, mainly confined to the passes and canyons later on this morning into the afternoon, but they will significantly weaken looking ahead to this evening. Around 4 or 5 p.m. we're talking about wind gusts plummeting down to those single digits, which is good news. Unfortunately, though, the humidity levels will remain dry throughout your Wednesday, which is why the fire danger remains elevated for at least the next 24 hours. We will have the increase of clouds today. You'll notice that as the sun fully starts to light up the sky all the way through the afternoon, incoming clouds throughout your Wednesday. And then tomorrow morning, it starts off clear, but then we'll have another push of clouds, and that has the potential of squeezing out some light shower activity. So this is around 4 p.m., right in the smack of that evening commute when we could have some light rain blanketing the coast all the way towards the mountain communities, which is why I added that rain icon. We'll dry out by Friday, though, and we'll stay dry all the way through the weekend. Low 70s on tap for this afternoon along the coastal communities. Remember, just because the days are going to trend on the warmer end doesn't mean the evenings will. We're still looking forward to very chilly nights. I know there are a lot of holiday activities happening, especially this weekend. So just make sure that you're layering up, especially if you have dinner plans anytime this week. For the inland areas, we'll be in the mid to upper 70s, one more dry and warm day, and then we'll start to feel recovery, especially tomorrow once we have those winds shift directions. The inland areas will be in the mid to upper 70s as we take a look at that hour-by-hour forecast. Some areas are actually starting off in the 30s, near freezing, but we will defrost by this afternoon. Some areas will be closer to that 80-degree mark. Elevated fire danger for the mountain areas for one more day. We'll be in the mid-50s through Thursday, low 50s on Friday, and then we'll climb back to near 60 on Saturday. Excuse me, your desert highs will be in the mid to upper 60s this afternoon, mid 70s looking ahead to tomorrow. Oh, I need some water, guys.